got some peppers and onion pieces here. All nice and dry. Just got them done. They were in there for, about 50 hours, I think. I left them in a little long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get these packed up for some really long-term storage. We're going to put oxygen absorbers in the bag, and we're also going to pack them with nitrogen over there and seal them up. So I'll show you how to do that here. Got my bags all labeled on the bag. That's the mix of vegetable. Let's do that. Peppers and onions. There it is. Nice and dry. Funnel here. Now zero that out. The most important thing is that your food is dry. If it's not dry to start out with, no matter what you do, it won't store long term. So, got to be dry. I'll just throw a clip on that. Let's get that. Onions. Just hear how crispy that is. That is dry. So this was a mix I just bought at the store. Pre-frozen. I don't really have the time to grow it anymore, but I still want to build a long-term storage, so I'll just buy it when it's on deal and get her freeze dried. I just throw a clip on there to hold them while I'm waiting. 39.29 grams. 39.29. 39.29. When I put these in the freeze dryer, each bag was 567 grams wet. And when it's done freeze drying, it only weighs 39 grams. So I write them on the bag. So we'll throw some oxygen absorbers in these, and I'll take you over and show you the vacuum packing. I'll go over there, and you see the dot turn purple when the oxygen gets in there. I'll take these over and we'll seal these up. Adjust this a little bit for this plastic's a little bit thinner. Take a seal down to 2 seconds. And this mode right now we're going to use on this is different than the last time. So that's going to fill it with nitrogen, suck it out, fill it with nitrogen, suck it out, and then seal it up. That's a nice seal. That dot will turn pink. Let's change it. Change it seal back up to 2.5. Check the back on it. So I'm trying not to crush this too much. We'll see on this first one what it does. It may crush it down too much. So we're trying to purge out the oxygen that's in there. And that's not overly crushed. That's exactly what I wanted. Although I didn't have that pushed in there far enough. I didn't get the seal far enough down. I'll have to take that over and reseal that. Pay attention this time when I'm doing it. Shake it down. Get that farther in there this time. Nice seal. Not too crushed. Ouch, that's hot. That does get warm. Looks good though. Probably could drop it down half a second on that seal. Well, I guess that's not bad. You try to pull it apart. There's nothing there. You can't pull it apart. And that is pepper and onion blend. 7 servings. 567 grams when it was wet, 39.29 grams when it's dry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.